Hi students, I am going to show you how to finish the personal interest quiz. So this is part 2. I'm on the last page and I'm answering the questions. How much would you like a job where you give instructions to other people? I would like it a lot. How much would you like to deal with unexpected challenges and experiences? I would like it a little. How much would you like to work for someone who tells you what to do? I would like that a little. How would you like to operate machinery to get things done? I don't really like to operate machinery. I just like that a lot. Would I like to work directly with people most of the day? Yes, I would like that. Would you like to plan and control the work of others? Well, I'm a teacher, so I would like that. How would you like to think about many things all day? And I would like that a lot. I like to think about a lot of things. How would you like to do almost exactly what is expected? I would like that a little. How would you like to make sure equipment, machinery, or instruments are working? And I would really dislike that. And how would you like to be involved in community service or community improvement? I would like that a lot. So now that I have finished all of the pages of the quiz, I'm going to click Get Results. And the computer has told me what my top scores are. Okay, so it says my highest score rating is ranked number 1. I am going to scroll down and I am going to see number 1, I am directive. I like to take charge and control situations. Rank 1, I am social. I like to deal with people. And rank number 3, I like to, I'm a methodical person. I like to have clear rules and organized methods to guide my work. Okay, then I click Next, or I can redo the quiz, and I'm going to scroll down. And so I scrolled down and there is a problem. It says in the red, some of my top interests are tied. Please break the tie by using the sort function via drag and drop. So what has happened is that directive and social are ranked number 1 together. So I have to decide which one is more important to me. Is it more important to be dealing with people? Or is it more important for me to take charge and control situations? So I can go like this, and I'm going to move social. I like dealing with people more than I like to control situations. Okay, so, and methodical, my goodness, I'm having trouble with my tongue, is at the bottom. So now I'm going to click Next. And I get my occupational matches. So this is the interesting part. So now it is telling me what my top matches are. So now I would like you to scroll through and look at some of the jobs that look interesting for you. So look and copy down the names of some jobs that you might like to do. So one of the jobs here says that I could be a driving instructor, so I'm going to write that on my list. I'm going to scroll down a little more. Another one says that I might like to be a recreation therapist. That sounds interesting. I'm going to write that one down. And there's even more. Another one says that I would like to be I could be an elementary school teacher. So all you need to do is scroll down, find some jobs that you think would be interesting and write them on your list. Okay? So that is how you can find a list of jobs that you might be able to do. One thing you might want to check is it tells you how much education you need. Okay, so if it says 4 years post-secondary, that means university. I don't know if I want to do that. I want to check, maybe I want less university or less college. Great.